Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Zebian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In today's session, we will discuss about what is a case study in marketing. So, what is a case study? Case study means, as you know, the detail of anything about a study, about data, how marketing does work, and what is the principles, what is the technique, right? So let us see first of all uh, the description of marketing. After that we will do the case study of Google or IBM, right? So let's start. The first of all, we have to take care of description of the subject. Explain your customers or client history and pain points. And then the subject's goal. Identify your customers or client goal for the project to so readers understand what to expect. Right. And then the hypothesis of a strategy. Tell your audience what you expected to happen after you implemented your strategy for the customer or client. Hypothesis for strategy means you have to collect some data of feasibility study, and then you have to tell the audience that you expect to happen after you implemented your strategy for the customers or client. Implementation of a strategy means take the reader through the step by step process you use to help your customer or client. Result of strategy. Deliver the results in as much detail as possible, preferably with a quote from the client or customer. Concluding finding. Explain what this case study has taught you specifically and how it can help other people. You don't have to include every category, but the more detail you add, the more effective your marketing case study becomes. Most of the time, you are conducting a case study for your own business. You want to show the world how your product or service has helped a customer in a huge way. For that reason, it helps to know you will perform a case study from the beginning. In other words, try not to reverse engineer a case study from a great result. Instead, track your arrangement with your customer throughout the process. So, this is talking about how to attract your customers by the implementing your product, and how to tell the audience about the product. And the most of the case study is conducting for your own business, right? So if you want to tell the huge customers, you have to take care of some advertisements, how to do the advertise your product in the market. For that reason, it helps to know you will perform a case study from the beginning, and you have to keep the client throughout the project. Then you are able to produce better software for your business, and it will spread in the market, and it 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 gives you the a profit in your business. So how the case study is important in to convert leads into the customers. Think of marketing a case study as a lure. It's a way to dangling amazing results in front of your leads, so they will decide to convert. Imagine that you are a customer who is trying to decide between two businesses, each of which offers time management software. One company has a marketing case study that illustrates how it helps a customer save 4 hours per week. The other company has no case study. Which company would you do most? You can use that customer's logic to inform your business decision. Thinking like a customer can help you achieve new insights into market. Creating a marketing case study gives you an edge that your companies might have. It can also help your leads make more informed decision. So too many businesses copy their competitors or their businesses. Instead, you should spend time being more creative and innovative. Below is a video by so case study is nothing but it will help you to find out the reason of your marketing strategy. It helps you to gain profit in your business. If you have done case study, then you are able to find out the what is the need of improvement or not, and which type of customers uh, link to the link to the your business, and how can get more profit, right? So this is all about the session. I hope you liking my session, and if any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.